Hello everyone and welcome to this video. We continue working on this design right here. Now we select the pen tool and we start drawing this shape right here. That's good. Now we use the curvature pen tool to fix this shape like this. I will change the background color so that you can take a good look at the shape. I'll make it in blue, for example. Then I show the shape and here we are. We make it in white. That's good. Now we copy this shape. We put it here. That's good. I zoom in, then I will fix this shape like this using the curvature pen tool. I keep going like this until the shape fits the edges. We use these dots to fix the shape, as you see. Now I zoom out to take a good look at the design. That's good. It looks good so far. Now I will copy this shape again. Then I put it here. I will reverse it and I will put it on this side. Right here. Now I use the curvature pen tool to fix this shape. I zoom in so that I can work properly. That's good. That's good. Perfect. Now I will copy the shape again and I put it here. That's good. I zoom in and I will fix it using the Curvature pen tool. That's good. Now we use the pen tool to draw a shape and fill this space right here. I fix it as well using the Curvature pen tool. That's good. Now I copy this shape, I reverse it, and I put it here. Now, as always, I will use the Curvature pen tool to use it, to fix it, sorry. That's good. Now I will add this small shape in here. Sorry, I go back. As I said before, Ctrl+Z to go back to your last step or move, in case you made a mistake. So I keep going like this. That's good. I zoom out to take a good look at the design. I have one more shape to add up here. So I use the pen tool to draw it. That's good. Now I use the Curvature pen tool to fix it, just slightly. That's good. As you see, to take this course you need to be familiar with the pen tool, as we will be using it heavily in this course. I zoom out And here we are. We still have some work left, and I will leave that for the next video. So that's it for this video. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.